In this video, let's continue with the top face, okay? So we'll draw 9 parallelograms, right? To represent the nine squares of the top face. Okay, so we need a method like function draw parallelogram. Let's double check this, my spelling. So dictionary, parallelogram. Yes, correct. Parallelogram. Okay, so parameter, I think we need the same thing here, right? And the return type, no, we don't need any return type. Let's draw a single one here. So it's a polygon. Okay, let's do something like, yeah, we learned how to draw a shape, right? So we can create a path equals UI Bezier path. So let's move path dot move to point our point. Okay, let's draw put it in 150 for now. 100. Yeah, it's not a good idea. The parallelogram, right, will be something like that. So let's start from here, go to the top right, and go to the right, and go to the bottom left, and close like that. So the idea is so that bottom left x CG float equals something, okay, like that. Then bottom left y CG float equal to some other things. With that, we know here, right, is bottom left x. Then, because we start from bottom left x and bottom left y, then we add line to point. So going to the upper right. So how far? About yeah, half the distance, half the square side. So about here. So x is bottom left x, right? Plus, let's hide this so we have more room. Plus square side divided by 2, right? Square side divided by 2. Why? Bottom left y minus, right? Because it's going up, minus, same thing, square root side divided by 2. Okay, now we go from the bottom left to this way, right? To the second point. Now let's go to the right by 1 square side. So pass, that's C. So it's good idea to see let's do stroke first, okay? So we can draw front, okay? So let's create a draw top, right? Function draw top, okay? No, draw top, delete, and we'll call this one draw parallelogram at 0. Yeah, don't worry about that. Color anything, who cares? Dot. Let's put blue. So now let's call it here, right? Draw top. Let's see, run it. Yeah, that's good. So let's move to the right, okay? So now it's easy to trace our path here. So path dot add line to point x. So the x will be increased by a cell side, right? So button that one plus. So here is 0 point. So if is it a good idea? Okay, let's do it this way. Plus another one, right? Okay, y is same. So y should be the same as the previous point. So let's try it. Nice. Now let's keep going. Let's keep going. Pass dot add line to point x, enter. So x will, so the next point is here, right? Here. Okay, so oh, this one is bottom left x plus square side, right? And y should be same as the first point. Yeah, so bottom left y. That's it. Run it. Ta-la! Do we need to add line to for the last one? No. We can call close to close the opening. Okay. Nice. Now it's time to put this guy to here. How? Yeah, because those are just temporary, right? Data. So row column. Oh, wait a minute. So row column, let's ignore that. Draw top, draw parallel. Okay, so we need figure out which one column. Yeah, so column is still like this is column 1, column 0, column 1, column 2, and row 0, row 1, row 2. Okay, so column row, let's do this one first. Let's use let's ignore this column and the row for now. We'll do step by step, yeah, to make our life easier. So this one, if we want to put this guy here, right? The point here is origin x, origin y. So it's easy for this one, origin x and origin y, right? Let's see. Yes, yes. So now we can draw another one. Draw the second one, okay? So, oh, now we can try to draw another one. So this guy should be column 0, row 3. This guy should be column 3. Now let's try the real draw parallelogram, the real one here. And row 0, color, never mind here. So use red, a different one. So this guy will be here, right here. So what's the, how can we calculate that? This point, right? So the mapping is origin x plus what? Plus is it 3 minus column and we need a CG float, I guess. CG float times square side. Is it correct? So 0, 0 maps, it's 2. So the 0, column 0 will map 2, right? 2, wait a minute. So for every step, it increased by half of it. So 0 map to 2, 1 map to 1, and 2 map to 0. This is correct. So for y, it's easier. Y will be so this guy here, the y will be CG float. It's just the row times the square root. So no square root, square side divided by 2. Is that okay? So origin y. So here is 0. Let's give it a try. Let's hide this one. We can test it, right? So the y is not quite right. So it will be less than y. Oh, because this one is 0, it should be there. So 0 will map to x. So 0 will be mapped to negative. Oh, -2. So 0 will be mapped to -2. So it's row minus next -2. Okay, give it a try. Yeah, that's correct. So now let's put this back. 0, column 0, row 3. Let's see. What? Oh, it's not that easy. Let's try this one. So let's try one. So 1, row 1. Let's debug. Yeah. So the x, the y is correct. The x should go to the left, right? By half of the square side. So it means, wow, this is interesting. So x is affected by the row. Okay, so it means minus how many? Yeah, 1. So it's minus CG float row times half square side. Right? Let's run it. Okay. Now what about the column 2, right? Run it. Yes. Now let's try the next. No, sorry, that's row 2. So this one will be column 1, row 0. It should be here. It should be here. Let's see. Run it. Haha, same idea. So now the column will be affected by, so it means the, what's the problem here? The X is not quite right. Column 1. Okay. This is not quite right. Because for X, right? Every time the column increase by 1, we should increase by square side, not half. So it should be something like that. Not half of it. Run it. Yeah. And for the row, this should be like that. Yeah. Now it's good. Okay, let's try one more here. Column row, so it will be this one, right? Okay, good. So now we are more confident about the next one. 2. Run it. Yes. Yes. What about next one? So it's column, yeah, column 2 now, right? Column 2 and row 0. Let's see. Nice. Now let's make 2 copy of them. 1, 2. So here is 1 and 2. Run it. Okay, now let's put the color here. Oh, so we need to duplicate this one. We don't want to duplicate the code, so let's create a function for that. Okay, it's like get the real color from the logical color. So function color of actual color of, or color of color. This type is cube color, right? Cube color. So we'll return the UI color. Now we can move this to, okay, cut and paste. Then we can return the C, right? C. So now what is C? C is color of C. Color of, no, that color. Color of color. This color, yeah. Let's test it. We shouldn't break anything. Yes. Now we can move this one to the bottom because that's the implementation details, right? So now we can copy this one and put it here. Run it. Ooh. No, we didn't do the fill here. Fill. Run it. Aha. So we also need the line. So let's add pass dot stroke here. So we need both stroke and the fill. Not bad, okay? It's cool. Now let's put some real color here for fun. Green, red, maybe yellow, and I just put a random color there. So white and blue again. What is missing? Orange, yeah, and green. Okay, run it. Cool. We have finished the top face. Okay, see you next time.